Alan has left an enormously positive legacy on this industry. He has developed such a pride in an incredible brand in TG Ceathair and made accessible the Irish language for the Irish people and on an international stage.
Alan came in with a very clear vision of what TG Ceathair was about, the audiences it was going to serve, the ways it was going to do that.
I mean, what he first gave us was stability and a vision. Pastig weig an airnála ás agus saoirse ag an am céanna chuair doinge iireacht clárach tá guma céanna na clárach méle beidir níos fearr fiú a dhéanamh.
Agus an mórtas nua a spragtuaning as ar gláracha agus ar scanáin Gaelinge.
Is fada ó bhí sráidrámaíochta agin agus inis rathairt mór ar crá go hidirnáisiúnta chomh maith le anseo inéireann. Agus is mar gheall ar an fís a bhí ag Alan go bhfuil an Ceannail Cúla Ceathair ann.
Dar nó caithimén méadaíonn tú ar san sport na manar fud na tíre lua, buach eile.
He has also developed independent production companies in the regions and developed the industry regionally with wonderful productions as part of Cine Ceathair like Colleen Kuhn, Arucht and many more.
You know, Seasamh Mericha, Big Drill and Fechan ar Scanáin, Inga Eiling a Huspoint, to Decoration a Haru.
Here are the nominees for Best International Feature Film, The Quiet Girl.
Bhí muid gire a bheith níos airde ná an telefís agus darlinne and cinema tá sé níos airde an telefís.
We're all basking in the glory of NECAP. And where does that come from? It comes out of partnership working and thinking a little bit bigger and thinking about international audiences.
Nuair chuirn tú ceisiid hénig ar ág mé áit I grut níos fearr Saradánig mé agus I gás Alan ní léon dabhtach go dhéann sé sin na TG Ceathair.
Táid a lig go mór faoi de chomí.
Alan córáidechas leat ar an éachta tá baint sa machad agus an tilchar dearfach a taimriad ar síl na Gaeilge an airnáil agus an loch fechanna go mair tú do gradam.